Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is your first time, you're welcome. So in this video we'll be learning how to cut this asymmetric gown. So first of all is to get our starting line, and when you get your starting line, you draw a straight line and connect those points. So after getting your starting line, the next thing is to get your bust point. After that, get your waistline, then your hip line. Just draw a straight line across to the other end, the way you see me doing now. So after that, the next thing is to get our neckline. So my neckline 3 by 3 and connect it with my curve ruler. Next thing is to get my shoulder measurement, my shoulder divided by 2. I'll not add any allowance because this is a sleeveless. Then I'll come down by 1 just to get my shoulder slope. So once I'm done with that, next thing is to get my armhole measurement. My armhole is 8. Then I'll draw a straight line to get to the shoulder. Then I'll draw a straight line. So this will be, sorry, this will be my chest line, my bust point, my waistline, and my hip line. So next thing is to get my nipple to nipple measurement. Nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2. Mine is 4.5. I'll measure it all the way down to the hip line and draw a straight line. So once I'm done with that, I'll just take my dart measurement, which is ½ inch on the both side. Do the same thing at the hip line. Then I'll come down by 1 inch. I can connect because I don't want the dart to get to the bust point. Then I'll connect all those points together. Just follow the way I'm doing it. So once I'm done with getting my dart measurement, I'll get my armhole curve, which is which is my bust measurement divided by 4. Then I'll get my armhole middle point, which is 4 inches. I'll mark it there, then go in by ½ inch and connect it to the shoulder slope line. So once I'm done with that, the next thing is to take all my body measurement, my bust measurement divided by 4 plus 1 inch, my waist measurement divided by 4 plus the 1 inch dart. I'll add it back, then 1 inch sewing allowance, then the same thing with the hip, my hip measurement divided by 4 plus 1 inch for the dart and 1 inch for same allowance. After that, you connect all those points together. So next thing is just to cut it out. So guys, if you haven't subscribed up to this place, please kindly subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section and I promise to answer you. So I'll just open the pattern paper into 2. I'll extend all those measurements that I took on the other side to this right side, just the way you see me doing. I'll take all those measurements, everything back to the other side. So I'll be taking my dart measurement 4.5 all the way from the bust down to the hip line. Connect it together. Take my dart measurement ½ inch on the both side, making it 1. and then connect. So once I'm done with this, you can see everything is taking shape. The next thing to do is to get this curve on the waistline. So I'll be coming down by 6, then on the left hand side I'll be coming down by 3 inches, then on the right side I'll be coming down by 6. Then I'll connect those lines together in a straight line. But if you see the picture, it's not straight, it's curved. So I'll just curve it with a free hand just to give it that curvy effect. I don't want it to be straight. So once I'm done with that, I'll then cut it out. So I'm done with the front part. Next is to cut out the back area. So I'll use the front to trace out the back. So as you can see, I didn't add any zip allowance because my material is very stretchy. But if you want to cut your own, please add 2 inches for zip allowance. Then the neckline is 3 by 1.5 inches. Then I'll cut everything out. So once I'm done cutting it out, I'll now open it and extend that other measurement that I did on the right left side to the right side, just for you to see it very well. And also at the dart area, I didn't come down by 1 inch the same the way I did at the front. The dart gets to the bust point because there's no bust at the back. So once I'm done with that, I'll mark the back, then the front. So I'll use the front to cut out the curved line. So I'll just pin it down so the pattern paper won't shift or give me the accurate measurement that I need. So once I'm done pinning it out, I'll now cut it out. So at this point, I am done with everything. I'll just use this and cut out on my paper, this paper, sorry, and cut out on my material. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please kindly subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. And bye.